Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Cash Management account full guide. Open the Fidelity app, sign in, and tap Cash Management to view balances, linked accounts, and transfer options. Set up direct deposit with the provided routing and account numbers, link an external bank for ACH moves, and request a debit card for ATM use. Enable alerts, review sweep options, and check fees to manage your cash effectively. In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Cash Management account full guide. Choose ACH transfers for no-fee moves between linked accounts and schedule recurring transfers for saving or bill payments. Review transfer limits and expected processing times before initiating large moves, and consider instant transfer options if you need funds immediately despite small fees. Keep records of transfer confirmations and enable alerts so you always know when money arrives or leaves. In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Cash Management account full guide. Quick recommendation: for busy days, grab leak-proof containers to keep lunches tidy and cuts down on takeout spending. They nest for easy storage and seal tightly so no spills. If you want the same set I mentioned, check the description for the link and other deals. If this helped, like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Cash Management account full guide. Activate your debit card, set a secure PIN, and use Touch ID or two-factor authentication to protect access. Turn on mobile alerts for transactions, set spending notifications, and review monthly statements to spot unusual activity quickly. If you see suspicious charges, freeze the card and contact Fidelity right away to dispute transactions and regain control of your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.